Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make Today we're going to learn how to make a shooter game with different types of guns in Scratch. So this isn't going to be a normal type of shooter. This is going to be the thing our player uses to shoot and flag click forever. Oops. Control X. Copy. Paste. When flag clicked, forever, go to mouse pointer, I meant. Now I've got the thing to use to shoot. I want to be that when flag is clicked, forever, if then, mouse down, I'm going to make another sprite for when the player is shooting. I remove the outline. Switch to costume 2. Wait 0.1 seconds. Then switch to costume 1. Allow it to 0.05 seconds. Cool, now I can shoot. Also make some enemies. When flag clicked forever, wait what seconds, create clone of myself. When I start as a clone, go to random position, I make a local variable called HP. Set HP to like 10. If then, repeat until HP is less than 1. If then touching sprite 1, and costume name of sprite 1 is equal to S change HP by -1. Delete this clone. So I'm going to change the name of this costume to S. I will hide this. Go to back layer. So anyways, I have two types of guns. If then key 1 pressed, I also add an if then key 2 pressed, and make a local variable called gtype. Set gtype to 0, set gtype to 1. If then mouse down and gtype equals to 0, then do this. But if mouse down and gtype equals to 1, then instead of switching costume to S, which goes to S2, which is smaller but fast, which is smaller but much faster. Zombie wait 0.2 seconds, one's wait 0.05 seconds. Or costume name of sprite 1 equals S2 It's supposed to be S2. Whoops. Let me just remove this circle. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, OPPO. Bye.